Hi, this is going to be a very short video to show you how to get your garage door open in the event that your electricity's out or for some other reason your garage door opener is not working. Let me show you what you need to do. This red cord is an emergency release cord. All you need to do is pull it. That'll release your door from the opener, and that will allow you to open your door manually. Now you can get the car out of the garage and close the garage door. And you might ask yourself, well, if the garage door can be opened manually, how's my house secure? Let me show you how to relatch that. So now what you need to do is re-engage this safety, and then you need to push this forward until it re-engages with the carriage. I'm going to use a little step stool and just push that. You heard it snap into place. Now my garage door is nice and secure.
Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful to you. If it has, please click that like button down below. Also, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. That way you can be notified when new videos come out. Thanks again.